We all know that technology in combination with engineering skills can take us really far. However, a number of cars built in the new century are simply shocking with their capabilities. Here are just 10 of the most incredible already designed machines in use. Panther Series 2 360-ton low loader. Transporting heavy mining trucks to work sites on their own is associated with huge issues. Firstly, their size is not compatible with the format of public roads. Secondly, delivering a dump truck or other equipment to the quarry requires escort, which means additional cost. Besides, this machine takes a lot of fuel. Piacentini & Son works with mining companies whose requirements are very specific. Trailer load alone is worth a lot. Low loaders have a lifting capacity between 80 and 1,000 tons. They can be configured for specific earth-moving and mining equipment, as well as for specific conditions in a mine or quarry. The trailer is equipped with a remote-controlled folding platform to accelerate loading of mining equipment. It has got sufficient ground clearance and maneuverability, a rotary axle for maneuverability, and twin wheels to reduce pressure on the soil. John Deere Wheel Rake. For decades, John Deere has been recognized as a leader in agricultural machinery. Despite this, the company's engineers keep improving and optimizing agricultural machines, combines, and tractors. When hay is harvested, a lot of time and energy is spent on its collection and loading. It's because hay is almost evenly distributed over the area of the field. The WR Series rotary rake will quickly and efficiently solve this problem. They can quickly and efficiently process a section between 23.6 feet to 32.2 feet wide. Attachments may include 12 to 14 rake wheels. It looks like a fairly simple installation. However, a stabilization system for working bodies with a hydromechanical drive and electronic control is mounted on the frame. Therefore, the equipment can clearly observe the distance to the ground on the terrain of any complexity. AC Air Technology. We all saw aircraft at the airports towed for parking and maintenance. For this, as a rule, powerful diesel tractors are used. They consume lots of diesel fuel and emit puffs of smoke from unburned diesel fuel into the atmosphere. AC Air Technology has proposed an alternative. Many commercial and private airports have dismissed diesel tractors, as now they use electric track tugs with remote control AC Air technology. The tractor is equipped with 4 brushless electric motors. Its weight is only about 198 to 220 pounds, depending on the model. At the same time, the tug can transport aircraft weighing up to 12 tons at a speed of 131 feet per minute. The battery lasts for 2 hours of continuous operation, which is quite enough to serve runways of a small airfield. Mr. Manhole. Repairing of hatches is known to be troublesome and is associated with destruction of the roadway, and probably with restricted movement of the maintenance area. Using the innovative restoration system, Mr. Manhole, company Save Our Sewers Inc. from Iowa dealt with the replacement of 97 hatches in just 24 days. The cutting system features an adjustable cutter diameter and can cut both asphalt and concrete. Asphalt cutting takes less than 5 minutes on average. After the hatch frame and the surrounding road material are cut to the level of the cone, they are removed from the road. The sealant is then applied to a new liner, which is coated with a bentonite strip before it is placed on the cone of the hatch to prevent water from entering. This technology allows replacing the hatch several times faster without harming the roadway. Istebal Winter Wash. Washing of trucks and semi-trailers is different from ordinary car washes available here and there. First of all, it differs with the extent and nature of pollution. That's what Istebal Winter Wash does. Unique systems with a high level of automation are designed for internal and external washing of trailers, containers, buses, and isothermal vents. The system is equipped with a self-centering chassis that instantly adapts to the volume of the container or trailer. For external washing of cars and special equipment, the unit uses a high-speed algorithm for applying hot foam in 2 minutes. Also, the system can wash the bottom of the equipment in 2 minutes, and this is more efficient and much faster than a classic brush wash. Yeti Snow and Ice Removal System. Ice and snow on the roofs of trailers and buses can pose a serious threat to traffic safety. A sudden snow on slippery roads can lead to a serious accident with sad consequences. The Canadian company Yeti Snow and Ice Removal System has developed a unique mechanism for cleaning vehicles from ice and snow. In less than 2 minutes, the Yeti system cleans the camper of the trailer from snow and ice, thereby increasing safety and reducing the load on the trailer. Once Yeti is activated, its automatic cleaning head adapts to the roof of the trailer. Instead of dumping snow on the road, a separate auger system throws it to the side or into a separately prepared hopper. Merlo Wood Cracker CS580. Pruning trees is always associated with a certain risk. Branches can damage vehicles parked nearby or injure passersby. Merlo Wood Cracker CS580 on a fully controlled chassis with a maneuverable operator's cabin for complete control of the process removes all the risks when cutting trees. A working body can be mounted on the telescopic boom of any loader, depending on the model and weight of the equipment. Manual work is no longer required for cutting since the device itself can grab a cut branch and gently lower it to the ground. Safety here is of the highest priority. In addition, productivity of trimming and chopping increases significantly, and the number of employees involved is reduced to a single operator, who, if necessary, can load trunks and branches into the truck. HVP Hytrans HS150. When extinguishing fires in difficult conditions or fighting forest fires and fires of industrial facilities, it is important to have enough water at all times. This can be a problem, as it takes time to transport water, while fire can occur every minute. Hytrans from the Netherlands, in collaboration with Shell NAM subsidiary, have developed a system to solve this problem. The HVP Hytrans HS150 Mobile Water Supply System. This is a high-performance mobile pumping station capable of transporting huge volumes of water from any reservoir over long distances. A submersible pump delivers water to a large diameter hose that provides quick access to any open source of water. The control system will alert the staff with a signal or send SMS to several designated persons about any problems with pumping. System performance ranges between 1,500 and 30,000 liters per minute. Multi-electro-hydraulic. An auxiliary steering system from the EHLA-driven wheels provides 3-axle and 4-axle trucks, as well as construction or agricultural machinery with excellent controllability in confined spaces. The 4-axle Tatra truck clearly demonstrates capabilities of the EHLA system. An electro-hydraulic system can be programmed in 4 modes. This can be a control mode for all wheels, or only for wheels on the front 2 axles. At the same time, a wheel rotates both in one direction for crab movement and in different directions to minimize the radius of rotation. Kubota Electric Tractor. This year, the Japanese company Kubota introduced an autonomous electric tractor for those farms that need to process large areas. The company has not yet disclosed all the technical details, but is already known that the device is powered by solar panels and lithium batteries. Using a combination of GPS, onboard sensors such as cameras, and an artificial intelligence-based guidance system, it can independently operate on both traditional and rice fields. Its artificial intelligence system also allows the machine to track factors such as weather and crop growth, so it can actually decide when to proceed with tasks such as sowing, harvesting, or cultivating the soil.